18-year-old Abby is not a happy Nelly. It isn't exactly clear what set her off, but you know how it is with adolescents. 1 minute they're sweet as and light, the next they're headbutting the tour bus. Blame the hormones. Trainers, perhaps not well versed in pachyderm psychology, decide the best way to calm Abby down is to throw stones at her head. Unsurprisingly, this makes her sulk even more. A tranquilizer gun's on standby for if she gets really cranky. Thai elephant expert Prasep Tiprasert is calling for a bit of understanding.
In my experience, not just only human gut stress. I think some elephants got stress. Stress maybe come from because they don't know each other, elephants, quite very well.
It's doubtful whether Abby will get to play first team elephant polo again. If hospitalising 2 teammates and flattening a club vehicle doesn't deserve a long spell on the bench, I don't know what does.